The Neuro Trend Indicator is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on your chart. Traders can also read this page to learn about how the indicator works and its functionality. From the Navigator section, select the indicator file and drag it onto the chart to run the indicator. Once the indicator is running on the chart, it starts displaying bullish and bearish trends within the market. The Neuro Trend Indicator is a special and practical tool for traders who are looking to receive signals for entering the market when a trend changes. When the price moves above the indicator's blue and red lines, the indicator starts to show bullish trends and displays blue candles on the price chart. And if the price falls below the indicator's red and blue lines, the indicator starts to show bearish trends and displays the candles in red on the price chart. Also, if the candles are positioned between the two red and blue lines, it indicates a ranging market or a market without a clear trend, and the candles are displayed in their normal form. When the market's uptrend comes to an end and it enters a downtrend, the indicator issues a signal on the chart, and we can use this signal to enter a sell trade. Similarly, when the market's downtrend ends and it shifts into an uptrend, a signal is generated on the chart. At the time these signals are sent, alerts are also issued for us, so we can use these alerts to stay informed about trading opportunities. In the Settings section, under the Input tab, there are only 4 options available to us, where we can adjust the calculation values. In this indicator, it calculates the highest and lowest prices over 2 different periods, and based on that, it draws lines on the chart. The higher we set the values of these 2 inputs, the fewer trend changes we see, and the lines displayed to us become smoother. And the lower we set these values, the more trend changes will be shown on the chart. Also, the greater the difference between these 2 input values, the wider the gap between the blue and red lines will become. In the 3rd and 4th inputs, we precisely specify a particular value in points, and this specific point value is carefully considered as an offset for accurately calculating the high and low within a defined time period. Break time equals 0.5s/. This offset is then thoroughly taken into account in the subsequent calculations, where S is specifically designated for Z and S1 is specifically designated for Z1. Alright friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We'd be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.